Indonesia YouTube channel. Me, Clara, and
Rian,
we're going to talk about powder.
Sarah, we might conclude that we can never make them in battle. I mean between compact powder and also TWC, because they have different ingredients and also different purpose. That's why we can never compare between 1 and 2.
We cannot battle it.
Yep, that's right.
Then, what's the key ingredient of compact powder and TWC? Let's more diving into ingredients inside of them.
Yeah, check it out.
Check it out.
First, what you have to know is that compact powder and also TWC are classified as cosmetic powder types. And in the market nowadays, you can find generally for powder there are loose powder and also pressed powder. For pressed powder there are TWC and compact powder.
In terms of coverage, there are 4 levels: sheer to full.
The more amount of coverage is mostly determined by the amount of titanium dioxide in the formulation.
We all know that in TWC you can get coverage purpose. It is because the titanium dioxide content on it. And while in compact powder, it contains less amount of titanium dioxide. That's why for compact powder, usually it's more into flawless and natural look. And sometimes in compact powder, you can feel a cushiony soft texture.
What is that?
So cushiony soft texture is like when you touch the surface of the compact powder and then you rub it like this.
Rub on it.
Yeah, it is like very soft, silky, and like bouncy in your finger.
Oh, bouncy.
Yeah. This feel effect is because of diphenyl dimaticon, phenyl dipenyl dimaticon, silicious quioxane polymer. It is a spherical silicone rubber core chemically bonded to an outer shell of silicone resin. It provides a uniquely cushiony soft feel with a mattifying effect, fill the curvature of the face, fine lines, soften the look of pores, correct the imperfection, and give flawless look.
Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we wait your comment below. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.